Stroke position in Adobe Illustrator. Outside, middle, inside. So you've got a shape with a stroke. The stroke is on the outside of the path. Maybe you don't want that. And if you want to change it, you go to your stroke panel, and here we can align the stroke to be in the middle, on the center, or on the outside. You can also change some other things, but they don't really apply to circles, so let's have a look at a square. We can flatten our corners. We can round our corners. If you change to center aligned, you can make it a dashed line. You can even change the profile from here. So there you go, how to change the alignment of your stroke. It's pretty easy, and now you know how to do it too. Maybe subscribe?